Now we start with the first series out of 3 from voice exercises connected with movement. I want to start with our really center, the center of the body, where also is the home of our me, myself and I, who I am. So this is here, this is also connected with the chakra, and here's the diaphragm that needs to be flexible when we breathe, so that the connection between upper and lower body is completely open and all our energies and breath and feelings can go through. Okay, so the first exercise is to get in connection with your diaphragm, how it feels right now. So direct your attention to your diaphragm, is also the solar plexus region, and maybe with your hands you can feel how stiff it is or how soft it is, how full, how empty. And then we will expand it, maybe go back, and we try under our rib cage to open it and find that the hands can come under the rib cage, and we lay on top of the fingers and the hand to find some space, and it's for a massage for the diaphragm. Try to again inhale, and then I show you here, you go under the rib cage and then try to go there inside to relax it. It can be a very deep massage. It's important not to talk during this exercise. So open and then lie down on top of it. So mine is very hard, so for me it's difficult to get really the finger inside. Okay, and then exhale and give a massage with your hands to this region. And then it can also with the consonant B, P, T, K, P, T, K, P, T, K, P, T, K, P, T, K. Try really very intensely to move it. It's also, there's a muscle that goes back and forth. P, T, K, P, T, K, P, T, K, P, T, T, P, T, K, P, T, K, P. So the third exercise for the diaphragm is to exhale on a S, like Stephanie. So the tongue is behind the upper teeth. We inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, and because the S is there, the exhale is slow and long and stable, and is training our respiration muscles, our breath muscles. I do it last time. You can do it more often. That makes your exhale slower and longer and more stable. And this has a direct effect also of our emotional and mental state, that also becomes more calm and more centered. Now we will combine it with movement. So we will have some music. Open and back. Forth and up and back. You know, move isolated your rib cage. It's like open, I am here, and now I prefer to hide myself. Da, da. Open, 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 back. And by this we train our muscles. Breathe. And we can walk at the same time. The head also can swing naturally. When we open the rib cage, we say, yes, yes, here I am. It's me, and then we can go front and back and front and keep breathing. Let's open the diaphragm and going back. And very important that the hips keep still. It's an isolated movement, only the upper body, and down we keep stable. And let your head swing. And then you can make the movement even bigger. And bring the knees up. And keep moving here, keep moving. Moving. Always the pulsation from the diaphragm. And we can go forward in the tabletop. And we can go to sides, to left. Different variation, always moving. Okay, we will find an end and make it smaller, the movement. Okay, thank you. And then the movement continues swinging, always smaller, 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 until we cannot see any movement from the outside, but it keeps swinging, because this is the natural movement we have with every inhale and exhale. And now you can combine it again with your breath. Let the rhythm of your breath guide the tempo of your movement. Inhale, open, and exhale, going back. Inhale, open, and do it in your unique rhythm. And on your exhales, you can do the S again. Maybe you can feel how by the S, there's a little vibration, what really makes it warm, your diaphragm. And now take your time to feel the effect of this exercise working with your diaphragm. How is your diaphragm now? Maybe you remember how it was in the beginning of the exercise. And what changed? How is your diaphragm now? How full, how empty, how hard, how loose, dark or light? Then you can go in couples and share your experience. Since the diaphragm is directly connected with the self, it fits for all kind of dynamics you are looking for in the context of empowerment. And I like always, like in the theater, to exaggerate. For example, go extremely in the thing to hide myself in shame, and then the people can meet in this attitude, and then slowly what beliefs and what muscles and how does it affect your breath if you come to the opposite and even to exaggerate. You know, I am the king, I am the most important, and I am the only one. To exaggerate and see what happens and how change the relation between each other. And then to find the middle, how you are feeling right now, today. Where is your center? And this can be a preparation also to present yourself in front of the group, in the middle of the circle, for example. So in this kind of moments, I introduce this exercise with the diaphragm that is directly connected with the self and with the breath and with the flexibility of emotions and relation with the voice.